Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to English Passage, the channel where stories become your teacher and help you improve your English naturally and enjoyably. I'm so happy to have you here today. If this is your first time watching, a warm welcome to you. We specialize in teaching English through relatable, real-life stories that not only teach grammar but also improve your listening and speaking skills. Today is day 3 of our Essential English Learning series, and we're focusing on a fundamental building block of the English language, the verb to be. We will be practicing both positive and negative sentences using this very important verb. Why is this so important? Because to be appears everywhere in daily conversations, introductions, descriptions, and feelings. You can't talk about yourself, your surroundings, or even how you're feeling without it. Imagine trying to say, I am tired, or he's a teacher, or even we are not at home. All of these need to be. It's small, but it's mighty. In today's lesson, we'll not only learn the rules, but also practice through real stories, examples, and interactive exercises. Whether you're at a beginner level or just brushing up, this lesson will help you gain confidence in expressing yourself clearly and naturally in English. So, are you ready to dive in? Grab a notebook, sit comfortably, and let's get started. Let's unlock the power of the verb to be together. First, let's understand what to be means. The verb to be is one of the most important and commonly used verbs in the English language. It serves as a foundation for building sentences in the present, past, and future tenses. In English, we use am, is, and are to talk about identity, feelings, location, and situations. For example, we might say, I am a student, or she is happy, or they are at home. These simple sentences use to be to describe who someone is, what they are doing, or how they are feeling. Whether you are introducing yourself, giving information, or describing your surroundings, the verb to be is essential. Learning how to use it correctly will give you confidence in speaking, writing, and understanding English. I am, I'm. He, she, it is, he's, she's. We, you, they are, we're, you're. These forms change depending on the subject of the sentence, meaning that the correct form of to be must match the subject in number, singular or plural, and person, first, second, or third. For instance, I always pairs with am, while he, she, or it pairs with is, and we, you, or they take are. This agreement is essential to speak correctly and be understood clearly. To be is also the base form from which many other verb tenses in English are constructed. These include past tense forms like was and were, the future form will be, and the perfect form been, which we use in sentences like I have been busy. However, to build a strong foundation, we will focus today only on the present tense, am, is, and are, as they are the starting point for mastering this important verb. Examples: I am happy, I'm happy. She is a teacher, she's a teacher. They are friends, they're friends. He is hungry, he's hungry. We are ready, we're ready. Now let's talk about negative sentences. We simply add not to the verb. I am not. He, she, it is not, isn't. We, you, they are not, aren't. Examples: I am not tired. She isn't at home. They aren't ready. He is not my brother. We are not classmates. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am a student. I'm a student. I am not a teacher. I'm not a teacher. Practice these types of sentences daily to build confidence. Let's listen to a short story using only positive sentences with to be. Remember to listen carefully and repeat after me. This is Aarav. Aarav is a student. He is 20 years old. He is from Delhi. Every weekday, he is at the bus stop by 7 a.m. His friends are at the university. They're always on time. His teachers are great. His favorite subject is English. He is very good at it. His classmates are helpful. His college is beautiful. He is always happy to attend classes. He is polite, respectful, and confident. His English skills are improving every day. His parents are proud of him. Now, repeat these sentences after me. Aarav is a student. He is from Delhi. His teachers are great. His classmates are helpful. He is always happy. His parents are proud. Now answer some questions. What is Aarav's age? He is 20 years old. Where is Aarav from? He is from Delhi. What is his favorite subject? His favorite subject is English. Are his classmates helpful? Yes, they are. Is Aarav confident? Yes, he is. Let's do some practice. Say a sentence about yourself. I am. Say a sentence about a friend. He is or she is. Say a sentence about a group. They are. Make your own story using positive to be sentences. Now let's turn the same story into negative sentences. This helps us learn how to express when something is not true or not happening. Today, Aarav is not feeling well. He isn't at the bus stop. His friends are not surprised. They know he is sick. He isn't at the university. His teachers are not worried. His classmates aren't expecting him. His mother is not at home. She is with him at the clinic. Aarav is not happy because he is missing his favorite class. He is not energetic today. His books are not in his bag. His shoes are not clean. He is not enjoying the day. Now repeat these negative sentences. Aarav is not feeling well. He isn't at the bus stop. His teachers are not worried. His classmates aren't expecting him. He is not happy. His books are not in his bag. Let's practice more. She is late. She is not late. They are tired. They are not tired. I am ready. I am not ready. We are friends. We are not friends. He is busy. He is not busy. Try creating your own negative sentences based on real situations. Let's look at a longer conversation between two friends, Neha and Rohan. Listen carefully and we will practice each line together. Neha, hi Rohan. You are early today. That's unusual. Rohan, yes, I'm very excited about the project presentation today. I didn't want to be late. Neha, that's great. I'm also ready. I think we are going to do well. Rohan, by the way, where is Priya? She is usually early too. Neha, she is not coming today. She is not feeling well. Rohan, oh no. I hope she is okay. Neha, don't worry. She isn't very sick. She just needs rest. Her mother is with her. Rohan, that's good to know. I was worried. Neha, are you nervous about the presentation? Rohan, no, I'm not nervous. I'm feeling confident. Neha, that's the spirit. We are prepared. Now repeat each sentence after me. Pay close attention to contractions like I'm, she's, isn't. Practice like this. I'm ready. I'm ready. She is not well. She isn't well. We are prepared. We are prepared. Now change some of the lines to negative and say them aloud. I'm excited. I'm not excited. She is coming. She is not coming. Use this format to write your own dialogues. Practice with a friend or say both parts yourself. Let's play a listening game. I will tell you a story. You will tell me if the sentence is positive or negative. This is Meera. She is in her room. She is not studying today. She is watching her favorite movie. Her parents are not at home. They are visiting relatives. Meera is relaxed. She isn't worried about anything. Her brother is not in the house either. He is at his friend's place. Meera is happy because she is having a peaceful day. Her mobile phone is on silent. Her assignments are not due today. She is not stressed. Everything is calm and quiet. Now answer. Is Meera studying? No, she isn't. Are her parents home? No, they are not. Is her brother in the house? No, he is not. Is Meera relaxed? Yes, she is. Meera worried? No, she isn't. Is her phone ringing? No, it is not. Now you change the sentences. She is not studying, she is studying. They're not at home, they are at home. She isn't worried, she is worried. This kind of practice will make you fluent and confident. Now it's your turn to practice everything we've learned. I'll give you a prompt, and you will respond with a full sentence using the correct form of the verb to be. This activity will help you get more comfortable with forming complete, grammatically correct English sentences. Don't just think about the answer, say it out loud. Speaking helps you build confidence and improve pronunciation. Here's how we'll do it. I will say a sentence in its basic idea, and you will say the complete version aloud. After each prompt, take a moment to think, and then speak the full sentence. Try using both the full form and the contraction form. You can even write them down to review later. Prompts. You are a student, I am a student. Your brother is not tall, he is not tall. Your teachers are kind, they are kind. Your pet is not dirty, it is not dirty. You and I are not late, we are not late. My friend is funny, he is funny. Now use contractions. I'm a student. He isn't tall. They're kind. It isn't dirty. We're not late. He's funny. Make 5 of your own examples now. Say them aloud. Let's review what we learned. The verb to be is used to describe identity, feelings, status, and place. Positive forms: I am, she is, they are. Negative forms: I am not, she isn't, they aren't. You practiced with stories about Aarav and Meera, a dialogue between Neha and Rohan, listening and sentence building, role play and repetition. Keep practicing every day. Use to be when talking about your life, your friends, your family, and your school. The more you use it, the more natural your English will sound. Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson helped you understand and use the verb to be more confidently in your everyday English. Don't forget to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing for more lessons, and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Most importantly, leave a comment below with your own positive and negative sentences using to be. Whether it's I am a learner or they're not ready, I'd love to read your examples and give you feedback. This is your space to grow, connect, and become a more confident English speaker. Until then, stay positive, keep practicing with what you've learned, and remember, every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to fluency. See you in the next video. Jai Hind. Vande Matram.